Fix 1. Windows Update Troubleshoot. Start by using Windows Update's troubleshooter to fix problem number 0x8007000D. Step 1. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I. Step 2. Click Update and Security and Troubleshoot on the left. Step 3. Select Check for Windows Updates. Select Windows Update. Step 4. Click Run the troubleshooter and follow the prompts to solve Windows Update difficulties. A Windows PC's Windows Update troubleshooter is one of the most intriguing tools. But when that breaks down, users encounter new problems. If your Windows Update troubleshooter isn't working, this article will explain why it occurs and give you 6 potential solutions. Fix 2. System File Checking. Another solution is running a system file check to restore damaged system files. Step 1. Run Command Prompt as administrator. Right-click Start and choose Command Prompt, Admin. Step 2. In Command Prompt, write and click Enter, SFC/scan now. Enter prompt. Step 3. Let the system file checker scan and restore faulty system files. Be patient. Step 4. After the scan, restart your computer to see whether the problem number 0x8007000D is gone. Fix 3. Update Assistant. If none of the above steps resolves the issue, you may use the Update Assistant utility. Even though there are alternative ways for consumers to update their personal computers, it's crucial to remember that the Windows 10 Update Assistant is, in many ways, the fastest and most reliable method. Step 1. Search the Microsoft website for Windows 10 Update Assistant. Step 2. Download and start Windows 10 Update Assistant. Update now. Step 3. Follow the on-screen steps to update to the newest Windows 10. Step 4. Check for error code 0x8007000D after the upgrade. Fix 4. Update Windows using Media Creation Tool. An alternative approach is to update Windows using the Media Creation Tool, which can help resolve the error. Step 1. Search the Microsoft website for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Step 2. Download and start the Media Creation Tool. Step 3. Choose Upgrade this PC now and follow the on-screen directions to upgrade. Upgrade PC. Step 4. After updating, check for 0x8007000D error resolution. And that's how you fix Microsoft Store error code 0x8007000D in Windows. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Windows fixes and tech tips. Got questions or still seeing the error? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay updated, stay productive.